So Constant Contact has the ability to create tools that allow you to collect a piece of information from people visiting your website. It could be a pop-up, like appears right here, and the person even can select which list they want to be in. You can have, so when they're signing up, and I always encourage people to give something of value in return for an email address. If you just say sign up for our newsletter, it's like, why should I, what's in there? What's in it for me, right? But if you say, get a 10% coupon or get a guide for something and so on, you're far more likely to get people to sign up.
Yeah, show them the value that's there right there on that sign up form to entice them. And this is going to allow you to collect that kind of data right at the start when they're signing up to be on your mailing list.